If you're feeling stressed about your future in tech, it doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It means you're paying attention to how fast things are shifting. Let's be honest, AI has changed the rules, and if you've been feeling stuck, unsure, or even a little behind, you're not alone. But there's a simple way to stop feeling lost and start moving in the right direction. I call it the future-proof framework, and in this video I'll walk you through all of it. The 5 areas that make or break your long-term growth, the timeless skills that still matter even in an AI world, and the mindset that helps you to stay relevant no matter how fast tech moves. Once you understand this framework, I guarantee you will stop feeling lost and start building real momentum. By the way, I'm Pete. I've helped hundreds of developers land their first job, and coding and mentoring is what I do all day, every day. Alright, let's dive into the future-proof framework, starting with the foundation that every developer needs to get right. Let's start with something most people skip over. You don't need to learn everything, but you do need to master the right things, the one that actually future-proof your tech career. Whether you're going into web development, backend, data, AI, there are a few core skills that will carry you through every stage of your journey. Start with thinking in code, turning messy ideas into clean, logical steps. Working with data, reading, transforming, and sorting information. Debugging, solving problems without panic Googling everything. And version control or Git, because you're not just writing code, you're building systems that evolve. These aren't just skills, they are your survival kit. Think of them like your compass and your map. Without them, you're sprinting through the woods, hoping you're going in the right direction. But you're not. If you skip this part and jump straight into frameworks or tools, you will hit walls over and over. But if you build this foundation now, you will be able to adapt to anything tech throws at you. Learn how to learn, because that's the one skill that outlasts everything else. The tools you're learning today might be outdated in 5 years, but your ability to teach yourself something new, that's your superpower. You don't need to be a genius, you just need a system. When you learn something new, build with it immediately. When you get stuck, try to solve it yourself first, then look it up. When something clicks, explain it out loud like you're teaching a friend or a rubber duck. These steps build your learning muscle, and that's what makes you adaptable. Learning tech is like learning a language. You don't need to memorize the whole dictionary. You just need to speak it well enough to have a conversation and know how to look things up when you forget. That's how you grow. That's how you stay relevant. That's how you future-proof your tech career. AI is writing code, it's building apps, it's moving fast. But it's not the end of your career. It's the beginning of a whole new skill set. And listen to how I use AI daily. Writing boilerplate code, explaining confusing errors, brainstorming function names or better solutions. That's not cheating, that's augmenting your thinking. Think of AI like a really smart intern, helpful but needs direction and review. The devs who learn to collaborate with AI will go way further than those pretending it's just a trend. Let's face it, it's not just a trend. If you want to stand out, use AI APIs like OpenAI or Hugging Face. Build something small with AI and learn how large language models work. It's not about becoming an AI expert, it's about knowing the world you're building in. This isn't a trend, it's a tectonic shift. When you think with AI and not just react to it, you become exponentially more valuable. Now, not everyone feels confident speaking up. Maybe you're an introvert, maybe you're new. That's okay. Even the best developers need to work with people. Soft skills equals listening, communicating, collaborating. It's not about being loud, it's about being clear, kind, and willing to grow. It looks like asking for help without apologizing, explaining your thinking in a pull request, taking feedback well, staying calm in chaos. These are learnable and they build trust fast. I've seen brilliant devs stall out because they couldn't communicate, and quiet juniors rise fast because they were thoughtful, helpful, and easy to work with. Remote works means your keyboard isn't your only tool. Slack, Notion, GitHub comments, this matters too. Stand out by being the dev who makes life easier for others. Tech changes, but being a good human, that's the most stable API in this game. And the bonus tip, don't burn out on the hype. Stop chasing every new tool. Curiosity is good, but hopping from tool to tool without depth, that's the perfect recipe for burning out. Instead, pick 1 or 2 areas to go deep, learn by building, get stuck, get unstuck, focus on depth and not speed. Progress isn't about collecting tools, it's about building wisdom that lasts, even when everything else changes. Now let's quickly recap what we've said. Master the right foundations. Focus on core skills like problem solving and version control. They never go out of style. Then learn how to learn. Build the skill of self-education so you can grow no matter what tools come next. because new tools will come soon. Then collaborate with AI. Use AI to speed up your work and not replace your thinking. It's your new creative partner. Strengthen your soft skills. Communication, empathy, and teamwork will take you further than code alone ever could. And the most important, avoid the hype trap. Don't chase every shiny tool, go deep on what matters and build real confidence. Stop trying to keep up, start learning how to adapt. Because if you stay curious, intentional and collaborative, you're not just surviving, you're future ready. Now, what I need from you is to smash that like button to future-proof my channel and help me keep making these videos for you, you legend. I'm Pete, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.